Hey, what's up guys? Devin here with Backcountry Exposure. Today we're talking about my 2 ultralight backpacking cook kits. I've got the Soto thermal stack with different components on the inside, and then I've got the Toaks 700 milliliter. So let's start with the Soto thermal stack. It is meant to be a double wall design kind of cook system. You've got a stainless inner cup that is like 350 milliliters of capacity, and then you've got a 400 milliliter titanium cup. So with this little collar here, this allows you to nest these together and create basically a double wall mug. So I really like this system because I can make it a little bit more modular. I can really save a ton of weight and only carry the cup with the lid and then leave this behind. But if I know I'm going to be doing a lot of like hot drink kind of situation, then doing the double wall system is actually really cool. The lid is designed to work like a coffee mug and that kind of thing. Then the stove that I'm carrying with this now, I just recently picked this up, but it's the right stove for this because it's a Soto product and it's really well made and I'm really impressed with it. But because I had the issue, I used my Pocket Rocket Deluxe, and that's what ended up melting this because the burner's so big on that stove compared to here on the Amicus. This makes more sense in the size of burner for the size of the cup, and it fits a lot better with the height of the stove in this cup versus the Windmaster from Soto or the Pocket Rocket Deluxe. So this is the cook system. The thermostack also has this cool little pot gripper because the cup doesn't have any kind of handles to it. And then I'm carrying a tiny little mini Bic. Now the total weight for this system together, stove, everything that you see here on the rock, is 8.95 ounces, so just shy of 9 ounces. But if I leave the stainless cup behind, then I'm going to be at 5.8 ounces with everything you see here. So that's a really great weight to do something really simple where all I'm doing is boiling water to rehydrate freeze-dried meals and enjoy cooking meals in the backcountry that way. Now the next system that I've got for an ultralight cook kit is my Toaks titanium 700 milliliter pot. Love this pot. You guys have seen it several times, and I'm carrying it inside this pot sack made by Light AF, just a really lightweight Dyneema composite stuff sack that keeps everything contained. Really like the way that this form factor of the 700 milliliter works with a bigger burner of a stove, and I'm going to show you that. But I like that I can nest this cup on the inside, and this is a cup from GSI Outdoors. I got this out of my Pinnacle Soloist. I really like this 700 milliliter pot. It gives me plenty of capacity to boil enough water for a dehydrated meal or a freeze-dried meal, and then have enough for cleanup as well as potentially a hot drink. But this allows a little bit more versatility and use compared to the Soto. This is 400 milliliters, 700 milliliters. So depending on the type of cooking that I'm going to be doing, then this system makes a little bit more sense. The stove that I use with this is my Soto Windmaster, is my go-to, just fantastic canister stove. So with this whole system, the stove, the cup, the Bic lighter, the pot stand, even this little bag, all of it with the stuff sack as well, 7.35 ounces. So it is lighter than when I carry the stainless cup of the thermostack, but I like the thermostack because I can reduce the weight even more and have a really tiny small package. So if I'm even backpacking with like a 30-liter pack, then having the space benefits of the Soto is really nice compared to the little bit larger space of the Toaks Titanium 700 milliliter. So that's my second cook kit, and these are my cook kits for 2019. Ultralight backpacking cook kits. So I'd be curious what you guys think of the systems here, if you have any comments or questions. So thanks for watching though, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. As always, have an awesome day.